5G network and 8K video recording. Realme GT2 Pro. Paper Tech Master Design. World Fast TCO 9.0 certified smartphone. 2K Super Reality Display 120Hz. QHD AMOLED 6.7-inch Super Reality Display. 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 platform. 50 megapixel wide camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 40 into micro lens camera. World first 150-degree ultra wide angle camera. Macro lens camera is super. Sony IMX766YS primary camera. 5000 mAh battery, 65% fast charging, 100% charge in 33 minutes. Fingerprint under display optical. Now available in 3 color: paper white, paper green and steel black. Price in Bangladesh 55,000 taka only.